right? You want me on your right or left?
Yeah, stay on my left.
Okay. I've been giving the shooters a choice where they want me for them to hand it.
Yeah.
They're like, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go.
Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Dueling tree.
You got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You call it.
The problem with the buck is it might actually hit it in a point where it just like everything just
Hit.
real quick. Wait a minute.
Hit. 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 Right flash. Right. Low.
Elevation isn't there. You don't take that
Downhill.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it looks to here from here. It looks like you're level, but I don't think you are.
Low.
So we're probably hitting
The
high.
plates, yeah, the plates. Well, actually, yeah. Well, when you
Low.
look at the line, here's the dot, right?
Okay,
So
I'll
if
write
you
this
go
one
downhill,
down.
the dot is still where that's why you're hitting the you're hitting the base. But I get you. I guarantee you, everybody's putting the dot in the middle.
Hit.
And then they're enough.
Yeah, you can't tip it over. You gotta get up. Left close. Hit. Left flash.
Like right here, I was saying, before hitting the bottom. They're
Low.
you'll get somewhere.
That wasn't it.
Because that's I mean, that's just
Hit.
You know, the gauge.
Right close. Hit. Time 1:28:10. Unload, show clear. All right, shooter, are you ready? Stand by. Watch that 180 when you bend over. Right flash. High. High. Hit. Right, dueling tree. Hit. 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 Left close. Hit. Left flash. Hit. Right close. That was a hit. 67-14. Stand by. Right close. Hit. Left flash. Watch that finger.
That thing served me really well. It's the first time I ever ran out of the geotech. I had a friend that bought it for his.
Was that a hit?
Was it hit?
Didn't
I was
know.
watching you. Hit it again. Hit. Sometimes it hits low and it splashes up. Left close target. Hit. Dueling tree. Hit. 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 7210. And look
7210.
Don't worry about that. That was from the previous guy. All right.
I was like, I didn't hear the shooter make.
Yeah. Calm down. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by. Right flash.
That was weird. That malfunction?
High left.
Yeah, it's not tracking that shit.
High left.
Don't do that. Yeah, that's weird. Huh.
You got a single feed. Single shot.
I know, I got a single shot rifle, guy. High left.
Turn your gas port.
Higher left.
Did not.
Oh, fuck. I'm on the fucking suppressor. Oh, this is not good. Derek.
You want to stop?
I have to because.
All right, unload.
Wait, that 450 this round, don't I?
Yep.
Shit. I'll shoot fucking single action. Go ahead.
All right, keep going.
Like that very guy.
I don't like him.
Oh, are we going? Still going?
Left. Higher up left.
He would have worked until he died.
High rightish.
I'd listen to her.
High. Low. Left.
Shit. I'm not getting any gas at all. The gas is off. You say left?
I don't remember now. Hit! I was just going to say you can move on.
Go.
Right left, right close. Hit! Dueling tree!
Hit!
Just
Hit!
3, one more.
Can I go to bottom? Alright, I got it. I like shooting. Oh, double.
Left close. Hit. Left flash. Hit. All right, that was it. Unload. 155.49.
Single action, baby. Say that again.
He just operates it that way.
What was that again?
155.49. All right, back up.
15549. 8.
155.49 is correct.
Mary's up. Terry's in the hole.
What's that?
I got full score.
I
got them all.
no, you.
No, I
Yeah, you did. You did. You got full score, all 8
Yes,
points.
he did.
Yeah. Thanks.
That is
Nicely
some
done.
funny shit.
Way to fight through it.
I'm like, screw it.
Hey, wait, this is yours. A new.
Oh, extra flag, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
When they go back and you hit a
Ricochet
off,
I'm gonna think the gas.
You know, it's really screwed up if he's shooting a bolt gun and he beat
Where are
me.
you shooting from, and where do you want? What side do you want me on?
I'm gonna be drawing from with my left hand.
So you want me on your left side?
Roger.
Okay. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Shouldn't have cleaned it last
Left flash. Hit. Dueling tree. 4 plates.
Hit! 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 Hit!
Right close. Hit. Left close. Hit. Right flash. Hit. Time 5-3-6-0. Unload, show clear. Wow. Nice run.
Damn it.
There we go. Okay, let me get back
Quicker
behind
than
you.
5360.
Walk back with the rifle pointed down range and bag it.
That is the fastest one.
Yeah. Terry, 5360.
5360 is correct. All right. Read safe. Nice.
Okay, Terry, you're up.